Yo, what's up, vlog? Here with another day. We're at Tumbling Creek right now, and we're gonna go all the way to Flow Lake today. We're gonna stop for lunch at Numa Creek and go through Numa Pass. It's gonna be gorgeous, muy gorgeous. So.
Sick! Yep. But before we got going, we had to sit down and have a quick brekkie. Just got to Numa Creek and we just had lunch, so we are about to begin the climb to Flow Lake. 5 hours left. It's currently 1 o'clock. It's a lake, so we can go swimming. It's going to be quite the journey. We are basically going up a mountain to the highest point of the Rockwall trail, and then we will be going down a bit. Then there's Flow Lake, and then our last day, since we're going to Flow Lake today, our last day is going to be easy, just a bit of downhill and home free. Avery, Stefano, a quick interview. How are you guys feeling at this exact moment?
You know, it's a funny thing, Joe.
Joe.
It's so bad and so good at the same time.
I'm perplexed, really.
Same. Looking at this view and I'm thinking, holy, this is awesome.
It's a view.
And then I'm feeling my legs and I'm feeling, holy, I'm in pain. So those two things are kind of butting heads a little bit.
After this great conversation we just had, we walked a couple more steps and came across the best view ever. Just finished an epic climb, and now we are at the highest point of the Rockwall Trail. Isn't that right, Avery?
Hell yeah. 2,800 meters.
After finally arriving to Flow Lake, which felt like a damn century, we decided to go for a nice fresh swim.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
So yeah, the Alpine Lake was freezing. Anyways, after that, we decided to sit down for some dinner with the bugs. The bugs. Then we watched the sun set behind the wall, and as darkness loomed and pain grew more painful, we decided to call it a night. After taking some morning pickies, me and the boys decided to go for a dip.
Jump! This is chaos!
Yeah, then after that, we were forced to do it again because some hikers missed us.
Winners, you ready to go?
Fuck yes.
A little humid today, but
Probably like 4 more K to go, I'd say.
sad to be leaving.
Nearing the end of the 4-day journey, we came across this beautiful river.
Can I get your opinion on this river? It's wonderful. I think it's called the Vermilion. It is just gorgeous blue glacier water.
What type of fish would be in this river?
Well, probably resident rainbows as well as lakefront gill trout. And possibly some whitefish as well.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah.
And we finished! We're freaking finished! Pros! This is sick! Guys! What did we just finish? What did we just finish?
Rockwall Trail.
What did we just finish? What did we just finish?
The Rockwall Trail.